Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Jobnimbus review. Best CRM? Is Jobnimbus the best CRM for contractors? Let's find out. Jobnimbus is a customer and project management software built specially for roofing, siding, and gutter contractors. Designed to make operations smoother, communication clearer, and business more profitable, its standout features include deep customization, solid integrations, and a convenient mobile app that keeps your workflow accessible anywhere. For the pros, it's user friendly, easy to navigate, and great for tracking jobs, managing clients, and tailoring workflows to your company's needs. However, it's not without drawbacks. The mobile app has limited features, integrations can sometimes be unreliable, and customer support could be more responsive. Still, JobNimbus offer an impressive all-in-one system for contractors who want to manage crews, projects, and leads from one platform. So is it the best CRM? For contractors and roofing or similar trades, absolutely. It's tailored, tested, and built to deliver real value where it counts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.